One of the things that I'm quite excited about is the chameleon desk that's in the pavilion. At first sight, to anyone walking in, it's going to be a blue desk. You're not going to know too much about it. But when you discover where that desk came from, it's pretty phenomenal.
We're lucky enough at Mark Tuckey to work with a range of timbers. One of them that's quite interesting is Siberian fir. So that does come from Siberia. It's illegally logged by the Russians, the Russian mafia, so we hear. They export that timber and it makes its way through Latvia and Estonia. And then when it gets to Finland, all of a sudden it's called Baltic pine. And from there it's sold to South Korea and they make pallets out of it. And then they bring whopping coils of tin into Victoria and they drop that at the cannery there, and then that's what our cans are made from, is that tin. And what's left over from that is these pallets. So we get our hands on these pallets, we take the bolts out, pull all the nails out and then dress it and turn it into furniture. Josh saw this timber and how we've been using it and got very excited, and he loves the story. One thing that we're doing now for green design is building a desk out of it, which is quite wonderful, and it's a lovely timber once it's all dressed and smoothed out and coated. It's quite lightweight and pale. We've had customers over the years that have struggled a little bit with the story and thought that it was a negative thing, when we're trying to get them to understand that from something that has been such a sad, where you're cutting down 300-year-old trees and exporting them out of your country and creating them into pallets, that we can turn that story around into something positive.
Normally that product ends up as mulch or landfill, but when you start to think about the journey that that timber's been on and that was going to be the end destination for it on the other side of the world, it's pretty amazing to think now we're making furniture from it and it will go into someone's house for reuse and hopefully last 100 years.